In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download QuickBooks Desktop. To get started, open your web browser and sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're using the correct account before moving on, because the download option is available from inside your QuickBooks Online settings. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your login details and wait for the dashboard to fully load. Once you're inside your account, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This is where QuickBooks keeps many of its account settings and tools. Click the gear icon to open the menu. Take your time here and make sure the menu expands completely so you can see all available options clearly. In that menu, find and select Get the Desktop app. This option will take you to the area where you can begin downloading the QuickBooks Desktop application. If the page takes a moment to load, that's completely normal, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. Just give it a few seconds and let the page finish opening. Next, you'll see download choices based on the type of computer you're using. If you're on a Windows computer, click Download for Windows. If you're using a Mac, click Download for Mac. It's important to choose the correct version for your device so the installer works properly. If you're not sure which system your computer uses, it's a good idea to check before clicking the download button. After you select the correct download option, the installer file will begin downloading to your computer. At this point, all you need to do is wait for the download to finish. Depending on your internet speed and browser settings, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. You may also see the file appear in your browser's downloads bar or in your downloads folder. Once the installer has finished downloading, you're ready for the next stage, which would be opening the file and starting the installation process. For now, the download itself is complete, and you've successfully reached the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly and easily download QuickBooks Desktop.